Hey, it's Vinicius Brazil here with the Brazil Group, your Santa Clara area specialist, and I want to welcome you to this special listing of ours here at 700 Cornell Drive in beautiful Killarney Farms, Santa Clara. This sprawling executive home features an expansive upstairs great room, 2 master suites, 1 on each floor, a spacious formal dining room with ornate chandelier and custom oak built-in china cabinets. The home features a fully remodeled kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite countertops, porcelain farm sink, high-end stainless steel appliances, including a 5-burner gas stovetop, double wall ovens, a built-in microwave, dishwasher, and a separate beverage cooler. The kitchen also features a separate pantry closet and additional storage area and countertop space. The step-down family room has a raised hearth fireplace, ceramic tile floor, and French doors to the backyard. The upstairs great room features new carpeting, custom-built oak bar, custom windows, and beveled glass door leading to the library or 4th bedroom. The primary master suite has custom stained glass windows, hardwood floor, a spacious walk-in closet, and access to the exterior deck through a sliding glass door. The master bathroom is spacious with dual sink vanity, custom cabinetry, a Kohler Whirlpool tub, and a separate stall shower. Additional features include a permitted detached workshop with dedicated 240-volt outlet and plumbed sink. The exterior features include a large paver driveway, walkways, and patio, a perimeter drainage system, and features automatic sprinklers in the front and backyards. Hey, thanks again for touring this amazing property with me. If you've got any questions about 700 Cornell Drive, feel free to reach out to me directly, 408-582-3272. If you've got any questions about the Santa Clara market or your home, please reach me directly. I'm happy to help you.